Cooperation, trade, networks, infrastructures. These are the four axes that form the basis of the OPTIMED Project, a cross-border cooperation initiative funded by the ENPI, CBC, MED programme. OPTIMED is a project bringing together 14 countries in the Mediterranean, aimed at fostering a harmonious and sustainable process of economic and commercial synergy among the territories included in the project. The project's aim is to consolidate business connections between Mediterranean ports by designing a new hub and spoke network scheme with two targeted reference port hubs, Porto Torres and Beirut. They are two gravitational hubs for the main traffic routes, regions in the Latin Arc countries on the one hand and countries on the southern side on the other. It will be a strategic plan bringing together companies and institutions in an interactive and participatory process aimed at optimizing and enhancing trade. This means reduced connection times and costs, but also less consumption of energy and environmental resources.
For Italy and for MED organization, RAM is important in terms of minimization of cost and the certain in time of delivery, and more to improve the trade relationship between the two shores of Mediterranean area, and also to promote the cooperation.
As you know, my country is on the Mediterranean Sea, so it's very important for our country to organize all the maritime exchange with the other ports. For Lebanon, being a main hub for the Mediterranean is very important because it will minimize the cost and time, and also it will increase benefits for our economic and for our port to be the central port in the Middle East area.
I believe that the most concern for any cargo owner, whether they are producer or importer or exporters, is the cost. By providing an efficient maritime transportation services, this will definitely help in reducing costs, and thus will be directly reflected to the end consumer, because it will help also to reduce costs, which when realized, they will be satisfied. And satisfaction creates more demand, and more demand creates more call to my ports.
The constant growth of the volume of goods and containers around the world led to building bigger ships and vessels. So the idea of having the from hub to hub will certainly lead to a lower cost, because we're going to operate the vessels to its fullest capacities, and which is going to lead to better prices, lower emissions, and of course saving time and money.
Development prospects for countries on the southern Mediterranean shores will depend, from an economic standpoint, on exploiting the trading opportunities and accessibility offered by the new network. These trading opportunities will be simulated by means of a virtual web platform, and the benefit assessed not only in terms of shipping cost and times, but also in terms of environmental impacts and energy consumption.
The two hubs, Porto Torres and Beirut, are designed to achieve high storage and freight handling capacities, a scheme that provides key logistical benefits through functional reorganization of spaces, new equipment and new vehicles, information and communication technology tools. OPTIMED is a new path for growth and development, aimed at promoting a stronger, more cohesive and highly innovative market by bringing together peoples, economies and knowledge. OPTIMED, a bridge between the Mediterranean countries.